Good night, everyone. Today, I invited you all here to explain about our product. It's called the GreenFit Kitchen. The members are Andreas, Kenny, Kevin, and me, Marco. Okay, so about our product. So the idea of our product is that we will help restaurant owners by creating an application that will allow the users or customers to buy food online. The application or system is called the Healthy Ghost Kitchen. The customer can only take away the healthy food they order and will be delivered straight to their house. The main aim of this application is to help restaurants, especially the smaller restaurants, to reduce the staff costs. This is our BMC. You can see that our key partners are the supplier, the fresh food supplier, the biodegradable packaging supplier, the delivery service, and also the other payment and hosting provider stuff. And our key activities here is to design the package, to cook foods, and also to deliver the order. Our key resources is employees, which conclude 2 cashiers and 2 chefs, the building, and also the server for the application. Our customer relationship is that we provide feedback for our application and also the rating in our application. And also we provide customer service if there is a problem with the order. And how we connect our application with other people is through the internet advertisement and also through the social media branding. So that's for our application. What do you think about application? And do you want to use our application? David or Stella can answer.
I think this is an interesting idea since I think I haven't encountered any like this kind of application for healthy foods. Like for common foods, yes, we have encountered that a lot of times, but this one is for healthy foods. And I think it's also interesting that you added like a one-time payment feature and also a subscription for like members who want to subscribe in long term. And I think that's all from me. I would like to see like the prototype or like the example of the application though, because it sounds interesting.
Okay, thank you, Stella, for the feedback. How about David? What do you think?
Okay, so just to clarify, you deliver healthy food, right?
Yes, we will
Healthy
eat the food and we will deliver it.
So makanan udah jadi ya?
Yes, makanan udah jadi.
Okay, interesting. May I know what's why you want to create a specific application for healthy food? Isn't there like healthy restaurant that you can order from Grab?
Okay, I think I'll answer the question for David. So the reason we are making an application for healthy food in general is because there are still not much competition in the space. If you have heard about maybe Yellowfit Kitchen, they advertise healthy food, but the important thing to note that they operate as a catering business. So it means that if you subscribe to them, it's not a flexible kind of arrangement because they deliver meals to you for a set period of time, and you will get a meal every day from them. But the difference with us, for example, GreenFit Kitchen here, is that we are making this an on-demand. So for example, you just want to eat one of our healthy food menu, maybe salads or some other stuff from our menu, and you just want to eat it like once for lunch maybe. And then dinner you want to eat something else, that's fine gitu. So the difference from our competitor is that we are very flexible, and it's really on demand. Like it's not different from when you're ordering Grab food for maybe sometimes you want to eat McDonald's or KFC. Yeah. So that's where we are different from the others. You know, you can eat once and then maybe yeah, if you like it, you can reorder. If not, your choice. That's
Okay, I see. Yeah, okay, pretty interesting, I guess, the application. Although, wait, then why don't you just collaborate with already existing application like Grab and Gojek? Then sell your food there. Wouldn't that be more efficient?
so. Yeah. So it is true that we will collaborate with Gojek and Grab and the others, but for the ordering method, we would still use our application because we believe that there are revenues to be gained, such as the subscription and other stuff. You know, because if we use our own application, we can bring in more revenues by putting ads and other stuff. Compared to like Gojek and Grab, you have to pay them. Yeah, I think that's it. But don't misunderstand. We are not employing our own drivers. We are still using the drivers of the established services such as Grab or Gojek.
Okay. Proceed.
Okay, thank you for the response, David. Stella mentioned that she wants to see our prototype. I'm going to show our prototype. Okay, so this is our prototype for our application, the GreenFit Kitchen. This is our main homepage. You can see there is the search bar. We will show the food photo in here, and then we have the category of the food that we will that you want to choose. For example, the American, the desert, Japanese, and others. And for the second tab, you can see all the foods that are in discount. You will see how much are they in discount, and also the picture of the food. And you can also see the budget menus in the bottom part of the page. And then for this is the details of your order. So we will see that it will show your delivery location, and then you will choose whether to be delivered by Gojek or by Grab. And then it will show the food that you have ordered and how many do you order. And you can add more in case you forgot the food that you want to order, you can add it here. And then you can see what discount do you apply or have you apply. And also in the bottom, you can see your orders with the total of your price and also minus the discount that you have. And then in the bottom, you can choose the payment method, and then you can press order. Next is the list of the ongoing order. So if you already ordered a food from our application, you can track your food from this tab, and you can see all the details if you click the track. And then next is your information. This information page contains all of your identity and personal information, such as the name, phone number, email, and other stuff like privacy, account, and other things. So that is for our application prototype. Okay, so for our prototype, do you think there are something that we should add or update into our application? Maybe from Stella or David?
I think from the UI itself, it's minimalistic and it's simple. And well, the green theme kind of fits into like the healthy food that you're trying to market here. So I think there are no comments from me regarding the UI. It's simple. It's not like difficult to keep track of all the options, the menus. So I think it's pretty good. But I think you have mentioned about the membership subscription, and I was wondering about that. Like, whether are you planning to like really implement the kind of like the catering system for the membership, or it's just like a normal membership? Because if it is like like because from what I understand, like you gave us the option to like only order once, like only order your menu once and not following like the normal catering system for like the healthy food. And yeah, I think after I seeing the application and also seeing your explanation, I think it would be nice if you add like a catering system, because if I want to buy like healthy foods, normally people will try to buy it in the long run to maintain like the healthy lifestyle. Um, and also, so I think you can add like a functionality for like a catering subscription for the membership one, I guess. So it could be like an addition to the membership feature if you haven't thought about it. But if you have, um, yeah, I haven't seen it in this prototype. So just, I think, just to clarify that, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Stella, for the feedback. David, do you have any
Hmm.
feedback?
Good. I agree with Sarah. Maybe my comment just for the UI. I don't know. For me, it's a bit too simple. You know, if you want to compete with current food ordering application, their UI now is already like really, how do you call it, modern and stuff. So, but since this is an initial prototype, maybe in the future you'll improve the UI, right? You'll hire some UI and UX designer. So it's okay.
Okay, thank you, David. Okay, so now, after hearing our explanation and our prototype, do you think you're interested in our application and would you use it later? And would you recommend it to other people?
I think I will be more interested if to use your application if you add like more features like I mentioned before, maybe like the catering system. So you give us the flexibility to like only order once, but if we like it, we can like subscribe to a meal plan that you guys plan out, and maybe you can add the functionality to like give us the freedom to choose. Maybe I want to only subscribe on certain dates. So for this month, I only want to like order like every Monday or every weekends only. So I think that would be a really nice addition, because if you guys only like add a feature to only order once, I think it would be the same like GoFood or GrabFood. So it would be no different for me to like, why not I just use GoFood or GrabFood? So a personalized like meal planner, like meal subscription plan, I think it would be awesome. It would make me more interested in like using your application. But yeah, I think if you develop like add more unique features and ideas that differentiate yours with like the existing applications like GoFood or GrabFood, I probably will recommend it. I will probably use it myself.
Okay, thank you, Stella. For David?
Currently, yeah, I'll probably use it. I think depending on the food item that you have here, I think the only reason I see using our application rather than Grab is because sometimes it's really hard to find healthy food in Grab or Gojek. So if you can provide a diverse menu and a lot of options, then yeah, I'll probably use your application.
Okay, is that all? Do you want to add some more?
That's all.
Okay. Okay, so we have reached the end of our interview for today. Thank you for listening to our explanation and to our meeting. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
All right, thank you.